Hey guys, in this video we'll discuss regarding healthy lifestyle. So healthy lifestyle is very important, and if you live healthy lifestyle then you can remain in now. You can live with freedom because health is everything. Like if we discuss when and healthy lifestyle is more important is that it's not that you make the body as a perfect. It's not about perfection. It's just about like making it still and stable at how it should be. No pains and nothing. Okay. Just making body still and calm. So healthy lifestyle is very important, and when you are like eating some food then you become aware of it. Like eat with very much love because the food is vibration. It is vibrating at certain frequency. So if the food, it affects your mind, that type of thoughts comes in your brain, what type of food you eat and with what vibration you are eating, that is very important. With what understanding you are eating it. So eat that with healthy lifestyle, take the responsibility. With responsibility the freedom comes. When you take the responsibility and the freedom is there, then you become healthy. So be free from mind and take the responsibility of yourself, that you are responsible for yourself. So take responsibility of your all your actions. While you are doing the action, at that time you do not remember God, and after when you get the result of that, then people remember God, that God, what is you have done this. So while you are doing it, then take the responsibility for the results of that also. So this is very important. So do action with consciousness, with awareness, that when you will get the result of that, then be ready for that also. And if someone else is also doing something, then react in right way also. That is very important, to take the responsibility of yourself, that you should not be like you should not just have injustice. Take the responsibility, have freedom and dignity for yourself, and take responsibility of your body, that whatever you will eat, whatever you will do your body with your body, you are responsible for that, and you will get the results later on, which you only have to take. So taking the responsibility of body is very important. The human body, which is a great, like it is so developed, with evolution it has developed, and if we don't take responsibility of that and suffer that, then our this is our wrong thing. So we should take responsibility of our body and live a healthy lifestyle throughout the life. The most important thing in life is to live healthy lifestyle, and healthy lifestyle is about that you just when you are living the life, like when you're eating the food, the type of diet you are eating, the exercise, and also not being lazy, maintaining the posture. Okay, that is very important. And the diseases, they it is not that the diseases comes in like just 1 minute, like in just one day. Actually everything is happening from a long time. So like right now what you are eating, that is like slowly just changing a bit of your body, and after that you will eat something, then the visible thing will come after some years, but that is happening right now. So become aware right now and take responsibility of your health. and the most important responsibility in the life is about your health. After that, you focus on your career, you focus on your outside ventures, but the most important thing is taking responsibility of body and being healthy. And also, when you're doing any particular action, then healthy lifestyle includes everything. Even when, like, I'm not just saying that healthy lifestyle just on food and mental health and the uh, the food, mental health, or the exercise, but also like the action which you are doing. The action which you are doing, after that you will get results of that also. So every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So what action you are doing, that action will have its results. If you will, like, see that now you are doing some activities in which you are getting pleasure, then that pleasure will later turn into pain also, because if your brain has a definition of pleasure, then whatever opposite to it will be, then there will be pain also. So the how much you will enjoy the pleasure, that much pain also you will have to suffer. And the joy is different from pleasure. Joy is happiness is different from pleasure. Pleasure is mind wants to get pleasure. The happiness is peace, happiness is calm, happiness is in this moment. And it is not very difficult. We make that it is very difficult because in the past, if our mind is conditioned in that way, it is not difficult, it is simple. Just step by step we have to do it. Life is very much simple if we live it in simple manner, but we make it complex. The mind makes it complex and later on suffer itself. So if we take the responsibility now, understand that we have to take responsibility of our body, and every action what we are doing to others, that we should be ready with ourselves also. So your body, your mind, everything, you are responsible to that. So you are responsible to what life you are creating. So create a life which you love and start it right now. The change is always immediate. It is not that I will change in some future date. Start the change right now. And it is not that you have to, like, step by step, slowly, every moment. Just take care of your actions. And don't self sabotage yourself, because the people sometimes, it can happen that you can live a healthy lifestyle, but it can happen that some things might happen to you, your situation, like, if in which your it is not your mistake. Now in that case, like, accept it. But when you have the opportunity, then why to leave that? Paul Walker once said that, like, someone right now will be sitting in hospital, and he will be crying that God give me an opportunity. And right now you have the opportunity. If you have uh, your body is working fine, then nothing you should be afraid of. Like, you should take the responsibility, and the outside world should not much affect you. And take responsibility of your actions and the lifestyle, which type of lifestyle you are living, what type of activities you are doing, and what you are feeding to your mind, what you are feeding to your body. Because it's like what you do, that you will get. It's simple. It's simple rule. It's not much complex. It's simple, straightforward. So don't make, like, sometime confusions in your mind. Just simple and clarity. With clarity, see it what you do right now, and with simplicity you can also do something great. It's not that with simplicity you can be extraordinary, just because even complex things, that is also made up of simple things only. So when you break it in simple parts, and you make and you collect it, then you can make much great things also. So take care of your body, and every moment take care of your actions. Be responsible, don't ever self sabotage, and always show gratitude and be happy. Never self sabotage yourself. Accept it, but right now that take the responsibility of change that will change, and right now, by the way, the change is automatic. Like in this universe, the change is happening every moment. It is changing whether you take the responsibility or not, but then it will happen by itself. Then you will call it fate. But if you want to have it by yourself, then change it. And change it not by like suppressing yourself or by being guilty to yourself, but taking responsibility, which is, and taking, being freedom, being free, creating something new right now. So start it right now. Take the responsibility for whole life, that you will take care of your body, be responsible for your actions, and also take care of your mental health, of your physical health. Always have positive thoughts. If negative thoughts come, then don't mind it. Focus on being conscious and aware, and be in the right now, be in this moment of being aware of your surroundings. That will give you confidence also, and keep you smiling also. So be confident, keep smiling, spread love and peace, and be healthy. So this was about this healthy lifestyle video, and we will come up with videos on what type of diet can follow, some exercise, how to maintain posture, and some of the lifestyle tips that we will come up. And we come up with many videos which are helpful for you. So if you wish to watch such videos, then stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching the video.